Hey students, you're probably watching this because your instructor sent you here, so we're going to make this as long and drawn out as possible and take up as much of your time as we can. Let's have a look at what you need to do to be able to check into your class using Populi on your smartphone. First, open up Settings and under Connections, make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. Then scroll down and tap on Location and check that that is turned on as well. Now go ahead and download the free Populi app from the Google Play Store. After it's finished installing, open it up, enter your school's domain, your username and password, and then log in. Alright, if you have a course meeting today, it will show up right here on your dashboard. Once your instructor begins their Bluetooth attendance beacon, the attendance check-in button will appear at the top of the screen. This button will become visible no matter where you are, but only after your instructor starts the beacon. If you tap the button before you get to class, your phone will begin scanning for beacons close by, but when it doesn't find any, it'll eventually stop. So make your way to class and tap the attendance check-in button. If you don't see the button, just tap the menu in the top left, and then tap Dashboard to refresh the page. When you tap the check-in button, the Populi app will request location access. Just to be totally upfront, Populi doesn't use your location for any other reason than to check you into a class. We also don't save your location in any way. Go ahead and tap Allow Only while using the app, and now that Populi has location access, tap Attendance Check-in once more, and your attendance status will automatically be recorded, much to your instructor's delight. Now you're all set. Thanks for watching, and thanks for using Populi.